Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Punlok channel. Today I'm very excited that the YouTube provides me and a partner for monetization on my video. So I'm very grateful that I have a time like that. I hope everyone to be a viewer and support me every activity that I post a video for sharing every knowledge like the electronic and electrical engineering professional skill. Everyone can be subscribed, become a partner or a member via my video that I upload every day. And the last time when I started YouTube for 4 years ago, I was upload a lot of the education knowledge with the electrical and electronic, include the automation system, the mechanical electrical plumbing system with the design, Autocad circuit system, everything. Okay, thank you very much for your paying attention with my video that provide all of you about the knowledge of electrical and electronic engineering. So God will be bless all of you with the good luck. Thank you very much.